Here I am at the TSL stand. I've got Martin Paskin with me, who's the Solutions Manager here at TSL.
That's right.
Martin, tell us a little bit about what you're talking to people here at BVE about as part of TSL Solutions.
Okay, I work for the Solutions team at TSL, where we put together the architecture and the proposals on the tenders that come in when customers come to ask TSL Systems, as opposed to our professional products group, for new systems to studios, automation systems, asset management systems. So we're here looking at what the technology is at the moment. Obviously BVE is not the big show like IBC, but it's still a growing show. There's still plenty to look at. Talking to many of the suppliers. We've also got many of our customers here at the moment, so we're talking to them, trying to find out what the specifications are that they want. Then we can go and talk to the suppliers direct here. Bring the customers along as well with to the suppliers. So all of that works quite well at a show like this. Equally, we've got CABSAT coming up in a few weeks' time, so our team in Dubai will be doing a very similar thing out there.
So obviously this is always a growing market. What did TSL have to do to keep ahead of the game in this market?
Well, we're spreading our wings a lot further. We've opened an office in Singapore. I'm spending much of my time going out there as well at the moment, so we're looking in the Far East. Yeah. We've got an office in the Middle East and a growing team out there. We've got a growing team in the UK, and we're also putting a lot of education into that, so our project managers are getting trained. We're taking on graduate engineers, working with the universities to make sure we get the right caliber of engineers on board. So yeah, it's definitely a growing team. The solutions team itself is growing as well, so as well as myself, Bruce McGregor is the head of solutions, and two solution architects that work with us as well.
So TSL Systems have always put in systems all over the place. What are some of the clients, what's the client base like that you've been working with recently?
TSL Systems have been around for 27 years and literally working across the globe. I think some of the first projects actually were going out in New Zealand and Hong Kong, so it's always been a global brand, and that's been growing strength to strength. But recently we've been a new project which is just starting with IMG, so a really big sports project that's going on. We've just sent out to Singapore a whole digital workflow. We've just been working with MediaCorp, the national broadcaster out there, to work with them to move from a tape-based workflow to a file-based workflow. So we've been looking at their digital workflows, putting in a Dalit asset management system. That was built in the UK. It's now being shipped out. Went out last week. We've been in a number of projects with the BBC and Atos, and so there's quite a lot going on at ITV.
Martin, that's great. Now, if people haven't been able to get to see here at BVE and they want to find out some more information, is there a website they can go to?
Absolutely, www.tsl.co.uk. Nice and simple.
Martin, thank you very much. Go and have a look at their website. You'll find out everything you need to know about TSL Systems there. We're going to do another video here on the TSL stand here at BVE. And of course, everything else we've been doing here at BVE 2013 is at our website, which is broadcastshow.com.